Alright, let's do all the examples of Verkleinwoorde of diminutives I could possibly find. Let's first find out how will they ask this in the exam. Number 1, we will know that they want the Verkleinwoord because they will use words such as klein, oulike, miniatuur, small, vlak, kort, and so forth. So, say klein before the word, and this will help you feel it. If they give you a plural to make small, take out the plural, make it small, then add an S. So, like, die moeder voel gee wurms vir haar baba wat klein is. To make it verkleinwoorde, sê die moeder gee haar klein voel is 'n voeltjie, klein wurms, wurmpies om te eet. Op die skool is daar 'n klaskamer, banke, stoele en baie prente. By die klein kleuterskooltjie is daar 'n klaskamertjie, bankies, stoeltjies en baie prentjies. Die man het 'n hond met 'n leiband. Die kort mannetjie het 'n klein hondjie met 'n kort leibandjie. Alright, let's go through the examples. They're not so many as the meervoude. Something with a short vowel plus K, B, G and S, K, B, G en S is kop, koppie, bek, bekkie, rug, ruggie, kas, kassie, man. Short vowels plus 'n N. Man. Mannetjie. Son. Sonnetjie. Pen. Pennetjie. So double the N and add the NG. Right? Double vowel or 2 syllables plus the R. Vloer. Vloertjie. Venster. Venstertjie. Motor. Motortjie. Suster. Sustertjie. Twin vowels. A or oe or e. So you will kill a twin and add IE. Aap. Aapie. Rook. Rookie. Neef. Neefie. A long vowel plus an N. And you will add a chi to that, right? Boon. Boontjie. Tuin. Tuintjie. Skoen. Skoentjie. Any word ending in a T, you will only add a JIE, right? Kat. Katjie. Boot. Bootjie. Present. Presentjie. Double vowel or consonants. Okay? Neus. Neusie. Broek. Broekie. Vurk. Vurkie. A short vowel plus an L. So you would double the L and add a NG, right? Bal. Balletjie. You would not really pronounce it like that, but it just helps you spell it better. So you remember how to spell. So remember it as balletjie. You would pronounce it actually in Afrikaans like balletjie. But remember balletjie, then you will spell it right. Vel. Velletjie or velletjie. Rol, rolletjie, rolletjie. Any word ending in a d. So you will only add J-I-E. Because it's the same as the T one we just had. So you only add J-I-E. Hoed, hoedjie. Mond, mondjie. Potlood, potloodjie, potloodjie. Short vowel plus a M. So you will double the M and add a eentjie. Right? Kam, kamichi, kamiki. That's how you would say it. Som, somichi, somiki. Rem, remichi, remiki. Double vowels or 2 syllables plus the L. So you will only add a TJIE, right? Stoel, stoeltjie. Tafel, tafeltjie. Rondavel, rondaveltjie. So 1 syllable plus the ing. Dit is die ing, ang en ong. Ring, ringetjie. So entjie alweer. Entjie, enkie. Ring, ringetjie, ringetjie. Slang, slangetjie, slangetjie. Long. It's not a long. It's a long is a. Can't think of the English word. It's a lang. It's a lang. So a long is a lang. Long. Longetjie. A short vowel plus the R. So you will also add a double the consonant, double the R, and add a eentjie. Kar, karretjie. Ster, sterretjie. Nar, narretjie. A long vowel or a double consonant with 2 or more syllables plus the M. So double syllable plus the M. Okay? So you will only add a P. Okay, so boom becomes boompie. Besem, besempie. Arm, armpie. Skelm, skelmpie. Bruidegom, bruidegompie. That's the groom, eh? 2 or 3 syllables plus the ng. Koning. Add a kie with a K. K-I-E. Koningkie. Heining. Heiningkie met 'n k. Garing. Garingkie met 'n k. Tekenkie. Tekening. Tekenkie met 'n k. Verskoning. Verskoningkie met 'n k. Enige woord wat eindig in 'n ie. Mandjie. Mandjiekie. Yeah, it's double. That's Afrikaans for you. Horlosie. Horlosiekie. Vakansie. Vakansietjie. Meisie. Meisiekie. Ending in an emphasis short vowel, you will add the apostrophe key. Alright? Ma. Maakie. Plato. Platoekie. Hoera. Hoeraakie. Safari. Safarikie. Plurals of the diminutive honde is hondjies. Bome is boompies. Koppe. Koppies. That's heads. Torpedoes. Apostrophe S, so it will probably mean that it will get an apostrophe kies as well. So the letters of the alphabet, you will get also put an apostrophe key, except for F, which is always the exception. And as there always is exceptions, here are they. Blad, blaadjie, gat, gaatjie, nooi, nooientjie, pad, paadjie, spel, speletjie, vat, vaatjie, something that you keep wine in, wa, waantjie. And that's the end of that. Yay, we went through diminutives. Alright. Pause if you need to pause. If I say come, pause it, say your answer, and then listen to the answer. That is what videos are for. You can stop me at any time. Alright, goodbye.